I bought a new tractor, so let's do some tractor stuff. This here is a Kubota b200. As far as tractors go, this thing is tiny. It's like just barely a step above a riding lawnmower, but I'm gonna have some fun with it. Now I've got this spot on my property. Hi, Murphy. Hey, baby. Now I've got this spot on my property that sucks. It's where my Airstream was parked when my property flooded last. And the water, it rushed underneath and around those wheels and tires, and it dug ruts. There's like a 6-inch difference in between the ruts underneath it and the sides, and it's gonna be a nightmare as soon as the grass starts to grow there again. So I'm gonna use this box blade, this little 4-foot box blade, to rip up the soil and grade it a little bit. Is this the right tool for the job? I don't know, probably not. Anyway, to start off, what I do is I put the rippers down, these tines that are gonna tear up the ground. And I just go back and forth and different angles and stuff like that to rip up the soil. Then I put the tines back up and I put that box blade down and I just go back and forth then to spread it all out. Now, is this perfect? It is far from perfect. So after I've gone back and forth with that box blade a bunch of times and moved a whole bunch of dirt around, then I gotta hop off and kick the dirt around with my foot, like where there's these big fluffy clumps of grass. I gotta kick it around to level things out a little bit more. If I did a bigger area, I could have leveled it even more with that box blade, but I mean, it's like only kind of the right tool for the job. I don't know, it worked for me. Listen, I have a new tractor and I wanna play with it. Did I get this job totally perfect? No. Did I get it better? Kinda, a little bit. Did I have fun playing with the tractor? Hell yeah, I did. Hell yeah. If you ever get a chance to drive a tractor around, do it. It's fun.